Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and good. So today we shall going to learn English, and in English we will going to learn something new topic. Okay. Before we going to the topic, I will show you some pictures. And you have to identify what is there in the picture. Okay. And you have to tell me the correct name of the picture. So here it is. So what will we going to do today? We're going to do subject English standard 1. Okay. Now I will show you the picture. Here it is. What is in the picture, students? Yes, dear students, what do you see in the picture?
Traffic rules.
Yes. Which picture do you see? Anything? Yes.
I see 2 cars
Yes.
and 4 traffics.
Yes. Very good. So in this picture, we have, yes, there are 4 signals. Okay. And what do you see else? Do you see anything along with the signals? Yes, along with the signals, what do you see? Yes.
Red color, yellow color, and green color.
Yes. Okay. And what else? Where is the car?
Two cars pushed up on the footpath. Car is
No, there is no footpath. It is the road. And what is on the road? Yes. There are different lines. What do you tell me the correct name? Have you seen or not? On the road? Yes. Yes, dear students. Okay. I will tell you. So today our topic will be traffic rules. Okay. So what are the rules? Which are the rules which we are going to follow? And you have to follow the each and every rule. Okay. So in this picture, we see the traffic signals of 3 different colors: red, yellow, and green. Okay. And along with the traffic signal, the vehicles which are run on the road. And on the road, what do you see? There are markings on the road. Okay. Now I will show you the picture. Yes. What it is?
traffic signal.
Traffic signal. It is a picture of about traffic signal. Okay. Which is the first color?
Red.
Second?
Yellow.
Third?
Green.
Green. Red, yellow, and green. So these are the 3 colors. Okay. These are the 3 signals. Okay. Now, next. And tell me what it is now. Yes. Yes, very good. It is zebra crossing. Yes. It is what? Zebra.
Crossing road.
Zebra crossing. Yes, it is a picture of about zebra crossing. So we will we will learn. Yes, dear students, we will learn in the topic what are the different rules, what are the rules, and what is the zebra crossing, and how to follow the rules. Okay, students, we shall learn in the topic. Okay, we will now move towards our topic. Okay, students.
Yes.
Yes. See, first listen, learn, and read aloud. Okay, we have to just now listen it, then I will explain you. Okay,
And
no, I will explain it to you. You have to just listen it. Okay, students,
yes.
when you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure, and fine. So here it is the picture, students. See, it is the picture. Okay, so it is the picture of the street. Okay, when you go out into the street in your vehicle or by walking on your feet, you have to always remember, first of all, see the vehicle, they are stop or not by seeing the red signal. Okay, by seeing the red signal, so you have to follow the first sign, that is red signal. Okay, you have to just stop at once. Okay, students, so that to keep you safe,
Yes.
secure, and fine. Okay, students, first of all, you have to see the left and right, there are vehicles or not, and then only you have to cross very safely. So where you have to cross, on which sign you have to cross the road? Yes, to cross the road, when you go walking, when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, students, see the picture. Yes, see, there is a picture, and there are the school going students, and they are crossing the
Zebra crossing.
zebra crossing. Okay, and they are walking.
The parrot road.
Yes, when they will walk on the zebra crossing,
Zebra crossing.
when there is the signal will be red, then you have to cross the road to go to another side. Okay, so always remember, you have to use the black and white zebra crossing. All of you understood? Yes, dear students.
Yes.
So what is given? So always remember, while going out into the street in your vehicle or by walking on your feet, first of all, you have to look out for each traffic sign, whether there is red sign or yellow sign or whether green sign. If there is red, you have to just stop. Okay, and then you have to safely cross the road over the zebra crossing. Okay, so that to keep you safe, secure, and fine. Okay, students,
Yes, sir.
you have to remember it. Okay, when you go out to the market. Okay, so always
Sure.
remember these three signs: red, yellow, and green. Okay, now we will see the rules of three different colors, red, yellow, and green. And which are the rules? We will see now. Okay. See the first traffic signal for vehicles. Okay. Now we will see the first one. What is given? See, if a signal changes to the color red, changes to the color red. Now I will show you the picture. Here it is. See, if a signal changes to the color red, stop. What we have to do? Stop. S-T-O-P, stop. At once, don't go ahead. Okay? If a signal changes to the color red, what we have to do? Yes, dear students, what we have to do?
We have to stop.
We have to stop at once and we have to don't go ahead. Okay? You have to just stop at once. Okay? So this is the first rule. This is the first signal. And which is of which color? It is red. Okay? While we see the red signal, we have to just stop at once and don't go ahead. Okay? So this is our first rule. Understood? Now we will see the now we will see the second rule. Yes. This is our second rule. Get ready. Be very careful when it turns yellow. What? Get ready. Be very careful. Okay? While the signal turns yellow. Okay? While the signal turns yellow, what we have to do? We have to be get ready. We have to be get ready. Okay? Because the signal is yellow now. Okay? So that our vehicle or and we shall get ready. Okay? When it turns yellow. Okay, students? So what is the second sign? We have to be get ready. Yes, dear students?
Yes. Yes.
While when it turns yellow. Okay? So this was our second rule. Okay? Now we will see the last rule. Who will tell me the last rule, students?
Green says go.
Green says go. Very good. Here it is. Very nice, students. When it turns green, it is safe to go. Yes. So this is our third sign. What is the meaning of green? It is safe to go. While the signal turns green, so now we can cross the road very easily. Okay? And we have to go very, very safely. Okay, students? Obey the rules.
Yes.
Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe because our life is precious. Okay? Because you are very, very precious. Okay? Okay, my dear students,
Yes.
all of you have understood the three signals, three signs. So tell me,
Yellow and green.
which is the first sign? What we have to do?
We have to red color. Red, yellow.
While seeing the red sign, what we have to do? We have to
We have to
stop.
stop.
Yes.
And yellow sign we have to go slowly. And
No,
green
no,
sign
no.
we have to go it.
While we seeing the second sign, that is yellow, we have to be get ready. Okay? We have to be get ready on our place only. Okay? We have to be get ready. We have to wait for the green sign. That is the sign of yellow. Okay? And what is the third? What is the third sign?
Green says
Yes.
go.
Yes. That means we are ready to go. Okay? While the signal turns green, we are ready to go. The first one is red.
Stop. Yellow says be
Yellow.
ready. Green says go.
Green says go. Very good. Okay. And we have to follow all the rules, obey all the rules without any worry. Okay. Without any worry. FUSS. First. First means what? Worry. Okay. Without any worry. And we have to reach our home very safely because we are very, very precious. Understood, students?
Yes.
All of you have understood
Yes.
the rules, the traffic rules. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now I will ask you question. Okay. And you have to tell me the correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
See, look at the word and match the correct colors. Okay. So on our left hand side, just listen. Just listen. Just listen it first. Okay. On our left hand side, there are rules. There are rules. And our right hand side, there are three colors. Okay. See the first one, GO, go. So what will be the correct color? Yes. Go means what?
Green.
Go means what?
Green.
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 Yes. Yes. Very good. Green. Here it is. GO. GO means what? Green. While seeing the
Green color.
green color sign, we have to go. Okay. Yes. Yes, just listen it. Okay. Stop means what? STOP. Stop.
Red color.
Red color. Okay. Yes, red color. Here it is. Here it is. Red. While seeing the red
Stop.
color sign on traffic, we have to stop at once. Okay. We have to stop on our place only. Okay. While seeing the red color. Okay. Now, see the last one. Who will tell me the last one?
Yellow. Get ready.
Yellow. Get ready means
Yellow says get ready.
get ready. Very good. That is while seeing the yellow color sign, what we have to do? Just we have to start our vehicle or a car. We have to get ready. Okay. So here it is. See. Go for green, stop for red, and get ready for yellow. All of you have understood the three different colors and three different signs
Yes. Yes.
and the
Yes.
and the three rules. Okay. All of you have understood the three different signs.
Yes.
Okay. So go for, sorry, stop for red, get ready for yellow, and go for green. Okay. So these are the traffic rules. And you have to just remember one thing. While you go out, when you go out and when the signal comes, just look at the signal, whether it is red, yellow, or green. If it is red, we have to stop. Okay. And when it is yellow, we have to get ready. And when it is green, then we have to go. Okay, dear students, all of you have understood?
Yes.
All of you have understood the topic?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, I will give you homework. Okay, dear students. So what is the homework? See, take pictures of various kinds of vehicles. You already know the different types of vehicles. Can you name them, students?
Yes.
Tell me the vehicle's name which you see on the road. Yes.
Car, bus, bicycle,
And
parking, and motorcycle.
yes, so these are the different types of vehicles: motorcycles, bicycles, car, bus, truck. Okay, what you have to do? You have to collect pictures. You have to collect pictures of different kinds of vehicles and paste them in your notebook. Okay, you have to collect the different types of pictures of vehicles and paste them in your notebook. And what you have to do? Write the write the name of each picture below it. Understood, students?
Yes.
This will be your homework. Okay, and you have to name them correctly. So which it is of which picture? Okay, and you have to name below the picture. Understood, students?
Yes. Yes.
I hope you're all enjoyed today's lesson, today's topic. Yes,
Yes.
and I hope and I and I hope you will follow all the traffic rules. Will you follow the traffic rules, all of you,
Yes.
while you go out?
Yes.
Thank you, students.